Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session, children. In the previous sessions, we were trying to understand about the money and banking. Today, we will conclude about the money and banking, children. And the revision part, as we have discussed in yesterday's class regarding the formative assessment 1 syllabus, the first 3 units, be prepared for that. And coming back to the money and banking, children, the other day, we have seen some of the digital payments. You remember about the digital payments, children? I have spoken to you about NEFT, children. NEFT. You know what is NEFT? National Electronic Fund Transfer. National Electronic Fund Transfer it is. Fund transfer. Generally, it is used to transfer 2 lakh or below 2 lakh rupees. They use the National Electronic Fund Transfer. For big amounts, they use another thing called as RTGS. This is called as real-time gross settlement. Please make a note of all these full forms, children. These all are the facilities which are available in our banks. Our bank जो है ये पूरे facilities देती है. हमारे को नहीं मालूम how to transfer the money. So if your parents are in somewhere in other countries, okay, they transfer the money, the big amount, they send it through these facilities only, either with the NEFT or with the RTGS. And there are many other things like UPI is there. Okay, our Google Pay and Phone Pay जो है वो इसके ऊपर ही काम करती, that is unified payment interface. Interface जो है UPI. And we also have another full form called as IFSC code. पूछती रहती है, इंडियन फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम कोड है ये. And we have seen the other day what is ATM. ये एनी टाइम मनी नहीं होता है, ऑटोमेटेड teller machine. So these are some of the important full forms which you need to have the explanation or the what we call detailed form. So this is used generally for 2 lakh and below 2 lakh amount. NEFT is used for more than 2 lakhs. We use RTGS. UPI is generally used for the what we call phone to phone banking. And we also have another one, VPA is there, VPA, okay, that is called as a virtual payment address. एक फ़ोन से फ़ोन नंबर पे भेज सकते हैं. वर्चुअल पेमेंट एड्रेस जो है इसके हिसाब से we can send not to the account, okay, from phone to phone only we can send it, but that phone should be registered with the bank. It should be a registered mobile bank, okay, registered मोबाइल नंबर, ओके, RMN बोलते हैं उसको, रजिस्टर्ड मोबाइल नंबर रहना, ओके, देन ओनली यू कैन मेक यूज़ ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. एंड टुडे SBI हैज़ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अ न्यू थिंग आल्सो. ATM से पैसे निकालने के लिए, ओके, द रजिस्टर्ड मोबाइल नंबर को एक OTP आती, OTP, वन टाइम पासवर्ड बोलते हैं उसके, OTP बोलते, वन टाइम पासवर्ड. सो ये वन टाइम पासवर्ड जो है, so you have to enter that one time password into the ATM, then only you can withdraw the money. Okay, so this is a new system which has been introduced by the banks in order to reduce what we call cheating, or in order to reduce misusage of the debit cards and the credit cards. And one more thing is the difference between a debit card and a credit card. एक क्या है ये डेबिट कार्ड क्या है और क्रेडिट कार्ड क्या है. डेबिट कार्ड बोले तो जब अकाउंट में पैसे रहते, व्हेन यू हैव बैलेंस, फंड्स आर अवेलेबल इन द अकाउंट, देन ओनली यू कैन यूज इट. ओके, लेट अस इमेजिन इन योर अकाउंट सम 10,000 rupees आर देयर. ओके, सो यू कैन यूज दिस कार्ड ओनली अंटिल दिस बैलेंस गेट्स फिनिश्ड. 10,000 जब तक 10,000 रुपये ख़त्म होते हैं जब तक आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ए डेबिट कार्ड. मगर क्रेडिट कार्ड जो है, ओके, there will be no money, there is no money in your account. Okay, they'll give you some limit of some 50,000 rupees आपको लिमिट दिए हैं, बैंक वाले दिए. पैसे नहीं रहे तो बीच आप 50,000 तक यूज़ कर सकते. then you can use the credit card even when there is no balance, even though there is no funds available in the account, you can use this card. और ये कार्ड यूज़ करके 45 डेज़ के अंदर you have to pay the amount. 45 डेज़ के अंदर अगेन यू हैव टू पे इट टू द बैंक. बैंक को हम पे करना कितने दिनों में? 45 डेज़ में पे कर लेना. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ए क्रेडिट कार्ड. एंड डेबिट कार्ड जो है तुम्हारा पैसे आप यूज़ कर लेते, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ए डेबिट कार्ड. So these are the differences between a debit card and a credit card, children. And apart from that, these are the various digital payments being done. And RuPay card, Visa card, you know it very well. These are the cards which are accepted internationally. RuPay card is Indian, and the UPI, Indian UPI is a BHIM app which has been introduced by the government of India. In order to make payments through the BHIM app, it has become very easy. So make use of all these digital payments in order to reduce hand-to-hand transactions, so that everything can be recorded and it becomes very easy for producing the evidences also. This is the end of the lesson, money and banking, children. In the next class, we will see about the revision. Thank you.